Jackie, get him! Get him! Get him, Jackie! Get him, Jackie! Good morning, John. Get him, Jackie! Get him, Jackie! Get him, Jackie! She loves you, John. Just let her... John, don't knock her off the bed. She loves you. Jackie, get him! Get him, Jackie! Get him!
She's like biting me.
No biting, Jackie. Just kisses. Kiss him. Kiss him, Jackie. Giving you your morning bath. Good girl, Jackie. Good girl. There. Get him, Jackie. Get him. Get him, Jackie. John, you got a girlfriend right there. You got a girlfriend. She loves you. She loves you. Don't you wish you had a girlfriend that took care of you like that, John? Kissed you up and down, gave you a bath at the same time. Mm-hmm. Very good. Very good. By the way, whoever's watching this video, it is 12 noon and John has slept 11 hours, so it is time for him to wake up. Good job, Jackie. Jackie, oh, got a new boyfriend, Uncle John. You must taste good, John. Did you spill some Guinness on your hand or something?
I don't know.
John, how do you feel?
Tired.
Why? Were you up late? John's getting a free bath this morning. Jackie was wagging her tail so happy to be giving John a bath.